As many of you might have noticed, our channel was recently demonetized, and I want to take this moment to explain exactly to you what happened so you can learn and don't fall into such issues tomorrow. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I got lots of things to say in this video that might help you today, tomorrow, and probably forever. Hello everyone and welcome to Armando Media. Today's video is going to be a bit different and more serious than usual. What is monetization? What is demonetization? Monetization is when you can earn revenue through ads on your videos. Demonetization, on the other end, is simply the opposite of monetization. This occurs when a channel no longer have the ability to earn revenue through ads on their videos. This might occur due to various reasons, maybe a violation of YouTube partner program policies, a violation of YouTube guidelines, and maybe copyright issues on your channel. That means we no longer have that ability to earn money or to earn revenue through ads on our content. Now, talking about what led to our demonetization is exactly why we are here. YouTube sent me a message saying that your channel is no longer eligible to monetize. You can always make an appeal if you think that YouTube made a big mistake removing you from the YouTube partner program. We were demonetized because we got reused content, according to what YouTube said in the message they sent to me. And I want to share this with you. You might be doing something thinking that you are doing the right thing. That's why it's always important for you to take that moment, to take that time to run through the YouTube policies, YouTube monetization policies, YouTube community guidelines, and understand exactly what is allowed on YouTube and what is not allowed on YouTube, how you can mix things up to come up with yours. What is reused content? You can download someone's content on other social media platforms and upload on your YouTube channel. That will look like a reused content. You can download something on YouTube and reuse it on your own channel. That will be looked as a reused content. If you want to do such a content, it means you have to add yours to that content. Like you are adding a voice over to that content. You are analyzing that content, means you are like commenting, you are giving your reactions, what you think about that video that you downloaded. Maybe you found out that the real owner got some issues with that content, didn't do it well, or there was some sort of maybe things that should be corrected, or what you think about that video. So you analyze it in your own way and you post it on YouTube. That won't be looked as a reused content. If you do it partially, YouTube will see it as a reused content. So make sure you put in more stuffs to make that content entirely yours. You are giving your point to something, you are analyzing that thing, you are mixing things up to change the whole story. There is nothing like a partial. Don't do it partially. If you download stuffs on other social media and then you try to mix them up and post on YouTube, YouTube don't accept such content. Like you got funny clips on other social media platforms and then you are trying to mix them up to come up with like a compilation and post on YouTube. YouTube won't accept that content. There is no reason YouTube will give you for you to use that content. Don't look at what other people do and say, oh, but I saw something like that on YouTube. Yeah, things are like that on YouTube. It's just because YouTube hasn't detected that there are such content. Because the moment they detect, they will bring those content down. So don't follow what other people are doing, but follow what you think will be best for YouTube. It is also important to know that YouTube has strict guidelines, and an unintentional violation might lead to your channel being taken down. Be careful. on what you do on YouTube. You might not see it today. It might not affect you today, but trust me, tomorrow, what goes up must surely comes down. Losing monetization not only affects your ability to earn revenue through ads on your eligible videos, but also impacts our channel growth and also the future creation of content. I explain. How can this impact your channel on content creation? Since you are no longer monetized, it somehow discourages you from creating content. And when you are being discouraged, you don't have that power again in creating those content. And you might see things like, oh, will I be able to go into monetization again? So it's like a bit frustrating. It's like a bit discouraging when you are being demonetized. But you have to take this as a challenge where you already know what to do. You know the mistakes that you made in the past, what you have to do in order to create content which is accepted by YouTube. To remedy this issue, I submitted an appeal video to YouTube, which this is like the preview you are watching right now. But unfortunately, YouTube didn't approve my appeal video. I will upload this video in the days ahead so that you can learn on how to make an appeal if you are being demonetized from YouTube. Make sure you come back like in a week's time to watch this video on this channel. I will put it right up here when it is ready. Another way forward to remedy this issue is by going into your YouTube content videos. Try searching for those videos which you think are suspected videos or videos that could be seen as reused content. Try either deleting them, try either modifying those videos using the YouTube editor, where you can change the audio, you can delete some sections, you can maybe mute some areas, and then change maybe the titles and other stuffs in the video that could help. And let me show you how you can edit those content on the YouTube editor briefly. When you open YouTube, you click on your thumbnail right up, go to YouTube Studio, and here just click on content. Select the content that you want. If I want this content, for example, I will click on this, and here you will find editor. This is what we call the YouTube editor. Click on it, and you can do all sort of modification here. You can blur people's faces by searching for faces in the video. You can trim and cut the video. You can edit end screen. You can change the audio and other stuffs right in the YouTube editor. If you want to get an in-depth video on how to use the YouTube editor, let me know down in the comment section as I will create a video for that. It is important to note that we are committed to complying with YouTube policies and ensuring our content meets their standards. Yeah, if not, you cannot make it on YouTube. Your support means everything to us during this time, and you can help us coming back to monetization by watching, liking, commenting, and sharing our YouTube videos, subscribing, and joining us on other social media platforms. Every bit of support counts and keeps us motivated. If you want to know how to create an appeal video, then you have to stay connected, as I will upload my appeal video in the days ahead, so you follow from there. We are optimistic on resolving this issue and coming back to monetization very soon. If you have any questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for more updates and content from Armando Media. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Test micro, 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 test micro.